making lemoni, and first step we need to do is put the chicken in the pan.
First, put the chicken in the pan. Make sure to wash your hands after.
Ask an adult to help you. The chicken is now in the big saucepan.
Get a jug to put some water in so you can pour it into the saucepan with the chicken in.
Make sure you cover the chicken with water so it can boil.
Once the chicken is cooked, that's the end of stage 1. As the chicken is cooking,
You need to get rid of any white stuff that's floating on the water in the pot. As you are doing this, make sure you have adult supervision. Get an adult to check if the chicken is cooked. Once it is cooked, get them to help you take the chicken out. We have taken the chicken out. We're going to put 1.5 cups of rice in. Make sure you always have an adult supervision. Once the rice has boiled, we are going to put 1 chicken stock into the mixture. Now for the rest of our mixture, we need 2 eggs and 2 lemons.
now you need to cut the lemons. Remember to always tuck your fingers in and to get an adult to help. Now you need to juice them.
Now we're going to crack the 2 eggs. Remember, try not to get any shell into the bowl.
Now you pour the lemon juice in.
Now we are going to mix it.
Remember to mix it very well.
Now we need to add cold water.
Now we're just going to add slowly to the mixture.
We're adding 2 jugs of water. Now we're going to add the hot mixture to the cold mixture a little bit at a time so they don't separate. Once the mixture is a similar temperature, you need to slowly pour this back into the pot. And make sure you have adult supervision.
You've got to keep stirring the mixture and add salt and pepper
To your liking. Now we add our salt. Once it's cooked, that's how you make ayayas lemoni.